Je parle, des fois tu ne m'entends pas. Comme un écho qui s'évapore dans l'univers. Sans retour, tu me laisses sans voix. Cloué, perché dans le vide de cette éternité. Je pleure, je crie, je bois, même parfois. Le regard vide sur les photos des belles années. Je meurs une fois.
G'day Gladiators, I'm Kenny and I'm here in Seven Hills. We're at this house where we've put some brand new Colorbond cladding on. It's corrugated Colorbond cladding in Wallaby. Wallaby, it looks absolutely amazing with this bush backdrop and the timber. It has just come out and it just looks absolutely amazing. I think you agree. Anyway, let me just fly you around the place and show you why I'm so excited.
Je te glisse entre les doigts. Réveille-toi. Comme un lion dans ma cage, blotti dans mes draps, enragé, prêt à dévorer. Dans les couloirs de la vie, on se perçoit. Assieds-toi, on ne se reconnaît pas.
So what we have here is Colorbond Corrugated Iron in a 0.42 finish that is in the Colorbond colour Wallaby. Absolutely amazing. I haven't done much stuff in Wallaby, but right here, it just looks great. It's got that light little bit of brownish tone, which goes in with the timber really, really nicely. It's got that grey, so it gives you a modern tone as well, and it kind of gives you that latte kind of finish. It works in with the greens around. It's absolutely amazing. Sits in here into the bushland beautifully. When we first arrived here in Seven Hills, the clients weren't very happy with the way that the Colorbond had been installed previously when they first renovated this house a number of years ago. And it was starting to show signs of its age, and these pink marks kept coming up on it. And it was where the previous installers had touched it up. Now, from the experience that they had with their previous installers, they were quite hesitant. The customers wanted a very, very good finish. They weren't happy with subpar, and we worked with them. We made some changes along the way, but we got there to the end to make sure that they were happy with it. And we're absolutely over the moon because this is the result that you get to see behind us. So what are the benefits of using this corrugated Colorbond steel over other potential cladding options or solutions? Well, it's easy to clean with really little maintenance. Instead of having to spend weekends cleaning and painting, they can garden in their yard, which is absolutely amazing. We're on the foothills here. We're in Seven Hills, but it's in the creek bed and it's just an amazing backdrop. So having the Colorbond blend in with nature was very, very important, and it does it really, really well. When it comes to fire safety, because they're on the bush, it might not be a bushfire zone. However, this isn't going to burn. This is Colorbond steel, and it's so good when it comes to fire rating and fire safety that it just ticks all the boxes. One of the benefits of replacing and doing a facelift on your house, this time it was Colorbond Corrugated Iron for new Colorbond Iron, or if you're going from an FC or a timber board or what have you to Colorbond, is once it's installed, it's painted, and you can completely refresh your entire look of your home with the Colorbond cladding when it's installed. Here, instead of it being deep ocean, it's now in Wallaby, and it just looks great. Have you hit that like and subscribe button yet? Why not? We do some pretty cool stuff, and I'm sure you want to see it. If you do, hit it. If you've already hit it, thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you on our future jobs, on our future videos that we do. And if you like your Colorbond steel, why wouldn't you? How good is Colorbond steel? It's fantastic. I love it.